Next, we'll move on to part 2 of present perfect tense. 今日は第2、現在完了形の第2の文をします。So, last time we were talking about the formation of the sentence. I have eaten lunch. She has gone to work. So, subject have or has, past participle, and then the remainder of the sentence. So, 文章の作り方で主語 have か has 過去分詞と目的語ですね。Next, looking at the short forms of present perfect. I have, we can shorten that to I've eaten lunch. She has gone to work. We can shorten to she's gone to work. So we can shorten them for conversational English and things like that. で、この形の短くしたいときは have か has を主語に省略する実務。So, I've eaten lunch. She's gone to work. One thing we want to be careful of is she's. In this case, it's she has, but this is also the same as be verb. So, she's. She's gone to work is the same as she's happy. So we need to be a little bit careful here. So she's gone to work. This S, this short form of is a short form of has. Second one, she's happy. This S is a short form of be. So we can't really tell the difference just by looking at the have or has form and the subject. We need to look after the words after that. If there's a past participle after the short form of she's, if it's a past participle, then we know that this is a present perfect sentence. If after the she's there's a noun, or there's a adjective, or there's a location, or something like that, then we can guess that it's a be verb instead. So we need to be a little bit careful in that sense. 気をつけなきゃいけないのところは、短くするときに、she's, has の時でも be 動詞の時でも同じ。発音も同じ、スペルも同じ。で、区別できるようにその she's の後に何が出てくるかで、その後に過去分詞であればこれが現在完了形の文章ですね。で、そうじゃないでこの時は形容詞、名詞、場所が出た場合はこれが be 動詞ですね。be 動詞でわかるんですね。So, それを気をつけてください。And looking at the negative forms, I have not eaten lunch. So after the have, we add not to become a negative. She has not gone to work. And this is the same. After the have or has, we add not to make it a negative sentence. And we can also shorten that. I haven't eaten lunch. She hasn't gone to work is the negative short forms of this verb, of this form. 否定の時の形は have と has の後に not をつける。not をつければ否定の文章ができるんですね。I have not eaten lunch. She has not gone to work. それを短くすることもできるんですね。I haven't eaten lunch. She hasn't gone to work. Is also okay. So we can make a negative form for that as well. And moving on to the question form. To make a question from a present perfect sentence, the sentence is I have eaten lunch. If you want to change that to a question, we just bring have to the beginning of the sentence. Have I eaten lunch? And the same with the has. Bring has to the beginning. Has she gone to work? Is the question form for this one. So very easy, I think. Just move the helping or the have and has helping verb to the beginning of the sentence to make a question form. Have I eaten lunch? And yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has she gone to work? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. And that is the negative and question forms. で、質問を作るときには have を先に来る。主語の前に持ってきて質問の形をできるんですね。Have I eaten lunch? Has she gone to work? をすれば質問を作ることはできるんですね。Have I eaten lunch? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has she gone to work? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. So 質問を作るときには have からを主語の前に持ってきて質問はできるんですね。